Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create a new account in Medium. So the first thing that we want to do now is to go to the Medium website. So the first thing that you should do is to open your web browser. It can be Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Opera, or whatever was your browser. So then you will search for Medium and go here, and as you can see, this is medium.com. I'm going to click on it, and this is our homepage or the landing page. So the first thing that we want to do is to click to get started because we are new here. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, or a new email. Those two operations are easy. You just click on sign up, and then you choose your Gmail, and just you will get signed up. Or you can just sign up with a new email. So you can add a new email, for example, email, and search for a valid email. Then you click for the captcha, next, next, and you validate. You click OK, then you go to your Gmail and click OK. So we want to head to our mailbox, and we will find the mail that they have sent. Search for the junk mail. If search for your spam. Still, I'm not finding it because this is the wrong email, so I'm going to add another. Uh, and after logging in to our account, we can find and see this uh, this medium mail. So as you can see, you need to click the link to confirm your email and finish creating your account. You click on create account, and now you give your full name and click create account, and now you will have a new Medium account successfully. So basically this is how you can create a new account in Medium. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.